Along the eastern coast of Sicily, just below Taormina, lies a place where nature creates perfect beauty, Isola Bella. From above, Isola Bella appears like a small jewel resting on the sea, connected to the mainland by a thin strip of sand that emerges and disappears with the tides. This natural link makes the island feel both distant and within reach, a place suspended between land and water. The island itself is covered with lush Mediterranean vegetation, rising gently from the rocky base, creating a striking contrast with the deep blue of the Ionian Sea. Around it, the water is incredibly clear, revealing textures, rocks, and shifting shades of turquoise and blue. From the sky, the composition is perfect. The symmetry of the bay, the curve of the coastline, and the solitary presence of the island at its center. Everything here feels balanced, almost designed, yet entirely natural. Isola Bella is more than a landscape. It is a meeting point between nature and elegance, where every detail is shaped by light and water. Isola Bella, the pearl of the Ionian Sea.